Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can copy TikTok video link. If you wanna copy your TikTok video link, it's gonna be like easy. And if you wanna copy another video link, like the another people link, so you can do it as well. So open up your TikTok app and search for the video that you're gonna copy the link of that video. So you have to simply do is click on this share icon, and then you will see the second three menus over here. Like the first one is shared, and the second one is like copy, or like you can share with WhatsApp status, or like Snapchat, Instagram, SMS as well. So you have to do is click on the first one icon. You will see a copy link. Click on that, and then you can see over here the link is copied, and then you have to simply do is go and paste there where you wanna paste this link, or like send your friends this video by the link. You can simply go there, go to your chat box and paste there and send it to your friend, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.